Hi. For the start, draw straight line on square tube round. Then draw 45 degrees line on one side and then to other. Now draw again straight line around square tube. Now, you need to draw again 45 degrees lines on the other side. To be sure that you draw correct everything you need, draw second straight line also about 45 degrees ends points. And now everything is ready for cut. Don't forget to use safety glasses. And it's almost done. Now you can bend it. Nice and easy. And before welding, don't forget to check